Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change or decrease text font size in a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this comment options menu bar. Now double click on this comment box and comment box text dialog box now open and click on this right side arrow. This comment box properties dialog box showing here and drag your mouse over select your text and here you will find this text font size. Here you can decrease a text font size and see this. In this way you can change in comment box text font size. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.